In this episode, I will teach you how you can actually add an hyperlink to your Google document. So I'm on the Google Documents file, AI workflow guide, right? So the first thing you need to do is to determine where you want to add the hyperlink. So for me, I would like to add the hyperlink on the essential resources section. Once you determine where you want to add the hyperlink, then the next thing is to add the hyperlink. So under this section, or in this section now, I want to add the hyperlink on main website. If you need more advanced strategies, you can always check out the main website for the latest update. So I would like to add the hyperlink on the main website. So the first thing you have to just highlight it like this. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on Ctrl plus K and it will load up this modal. And you can now type the URL that you want to enter. So for me, I will just say www.google.com. And I will just click on apply. And that's it. So if I now hover on this main website, you'll see that it is showing me the link to google.com. So this is basically how you add an hyperlink to your Google document. If you find this tutorial, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.